Hey y'all, I'm Moose. Welcome to my art journey and my premiere where I'm sitting down today. I'm going to be doing the butterfly garden for you today. I'm going to put it all together, get the resin on it, and everything is going to be absolutely gorgeous. It's going to be way too hot in the studio, so that's why we're doing a premiere for you. And hope you're going to have a good time. I know I am. So let's go to the overhead and we'll get started. Okay, we have our butterfly garden canvas here that I have covered with a coat of resin. I did that yesterday, so it's dry to the touch. I can work with it. And all of my butterflies are down here. They're a little hard to see because they're in the dark. But they are, I did those on camera for you. So if you didn't see that video, I will have that linked below. And then we have our gorgeous, gorgeous big butterfly. Oh, I just love the way she turned out. So we're going to put her right smack in the middle up here. And I'm going to put a bead of hot glue down to stick her down so she doesn't move while the resin is curing. So I've got my hot glue gun ready. And I'm going to put it on the back of the butterfly. That way I know she's making full contact right here. There we go. And right about there. Is she straight? She looks straight. And if she was crooked, that'd be okay too. All right. So we're going to do a little bit more with her in a little bit. We'll go ahead and start putting on our baby butterflies. And the way I'm going to do that is I have some crushed glass here. And I'm going to put down a little bit of hot glue. Whoops, I just whacked that camera. I think it's okay. So we're putting the glass on the hot glue here. And that's where we're going to put one of our butterflies. We're going to put this one. We're going to glue that down there with some resin. That's going to be wonderful. So I'm going to put little piles of glass for where the butterflies are going to go. And then we'll put the butterflies on. Let's see, we're going to put one right here. So in a minute, I'll put resin on top of this and it'll hold the rest of this glass in place. And we're going to put one over here. that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put a 5th one up here. Where will we put the last? Okay. That looks kind of balanced. Let's go with that to start with. So I'm going to take my resin that I've already got mixed up. This is KS resin. And lots of bubbles, but that's all right. Now we're going to put down a little bit of resin on top of this. Oh, link for this is in the description. I do have a 5% coupon code for you down there too. Now let's put this one here. And get it to balance. I might have to put hot glue on those. That looks good. Yeah, some of these might have to have hot glue on them. Hot glue is just to make sure it stays put long enough for the resin to cure. Stay put. Give you a little help to stay put. There we go. And then we'll put this one on. hold that one for just a moment. Oh, look, isn't it pretty? Oh, I'm loving how this is turning out. And don't worry, I've got more planned for this. Okay. There we go. And I have one butterfly left over that I could put somewhere. Or we can just set her aside and use her for something else. That's a good idea. Okay. Now what I want to do is put some glass chips. These are smaller glass chips, and they have kind of a blue tint to them, as opposed to these white glass chips or clear glass chips that I use for the underneath. So we're going to put a little bit of these glass chips under and around the butterflies. And then we'll put resin on top of that. This is so much fun to do. Okay, let's drizzle some resin on that. I'm going to go around the edge, bottom edge of the butterfly, so it kind of attaches with the resin. I need to quit dripping. Oops. Oh, this is so pretty. Are y'all enjoying this? Oh, can't wait for this to cure and get dry. It's gonna be gorgeous. I have some more bling to put on this after I get done with this one. You can't have enough bling. You can never have enough bling. Okay, a little bit of resin left. Okay, now I'm going to sprinkle on some of this iridescent crushed glass that I used for the wings of the big butterfly. And I'm just going to sprinkle that in. And then we'll knock off the excess. This will give it a little bit more sparkle. A little bit more for the big butterfly. Okay, we don't have to worry about all these loose bits. We can knock those off after it cures. And then I have these cute, tiny little pearls, iridescent beads that I'm going to add to the big butterfly because I think she needs some extra oomph. Okay, let's see, how do I want to do this? Okay, I think I'm going to, I have enough resin that I can cover this part and then sprinkle some of those beautiful pearls on. Make sure we get it good and coated. But a little too much on the center bit here, more than I wanted. Okay. Let's give that a torch. Okay. Now, I need a cup. I'm going to put a cup down here. You might not be able to see it, but I'm going to use my spoon to scoop out of this little bitty pot, and I knew I would drop a bunch. So there we go. And this has teeny tiny little bubbles in it too. So we're going to sprinkle that over the wings. There. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm so happy with this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let me get the lid back on this. Oh, there we go. Get this out of the way, and I'll turn the tray around so that you can see it right side up. How's that? Oh, look guys, isn't it gorgeous? I am so happy with how this turned out. My butterfly garden with my butterfly army. Yay! All right, I will show this to you again when it cures. And I've knocked all the little excess pieces off. Yep. And oh, I'm very, very happy with it. Yay! Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Okay, thank you guys so much for being here with me today at the Flowing Canvas. I do appreciate your visit. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a lovely day. And until we meet again, enjoy your journey. Bye, y'all.